Hello students, how are you? I hope that all of you are fine and doing well at home. I also believe that you are spending quality life at your home along with your entire family members. Even though the corona issue is not settled outside, so we had to move on to the next phase of our lives. So UGC has taken a decision to go for online teaching, online education. So therefore, we have started online education, and this is a new experience not only to you but to the entire teaching fraternity. This is a new experience, and we have not trained for this kind of online education. Well, it can be managed, and we will try to give our best to give the best subject knowledge. And you all have now moved to third semester. Of course, your examinations are pending, and the examinations will be conducted. Second semester examination will be conducted as and when you reach the university. So time to time, my sincere advice is that you try to go through and whenever you get some time, the second semester, all the syllabus topics covered, you have to read and thorough, because once you reach here you may not get much time to for the preparation. So it is better that you utilize maximum time that you are spending at your home right now. Well, coming to the third semester, uh, this semester I will be teaching two courses along with my other colleagues. This is one paper, that CHE 5302, Organic Spectroscopy and Bioorganic Chemistry. This I am going to teach to you along with Dr. Binijad and Deepa Janardhan. And I will be mostly dealing with the organic spectroscopy part, especially the structural illustration of organic molecules by NMR and mass spectrometry. This is very important topic, not only at the MSc level. Wherever you go, even to the research or any laboratory, this is very important technique. And these two are very important, and one has to thoroughly understand these things. Even the competitive examinations like CSR, JRF, or any UPSC examination, or any state level group A jobs, these topics are generally given, and without questions on these two topics, I don't think that any question paper setter will be setting a question paper. So such an important topic, and all of you have to pay attention from the beginning itself. I have been telling to you, it's not that you read only just before the examination. So you have to be very much continuous, and that will helpful for you to gain maximum knowledge. And this is an important thing that I must address, how I am going to teach. We have done away with the routine teaching in physical presence, since you are there at your home and I am there at my home, and till you come back to the university classroom, what I do, what I have decided to go for recorded videos. I shall make recorded videos for you, and I will share as and when they are ready via I will upload in the YouTube, and the links will be shared to you in the e-platform of this U Kerala website, and also through WhatsApp, and also through Google Classroom. Then time to time I shall arrange various online discussions where you can participate. And internet, this is mainly I have taken a decision, instead of coming to the online and teach something what I wanted to teach. But unfortunately, the internet connectivity for most of us is very bad. And I have received some feedback from some of you when I was teaching the last semester practical course during the last one week back. And most of you have said one common point, that there is a audio issue and there is a video issue. So there is a break in audio as well as video, so which actually uh, made a lot of problem to understand the concept in a clear manner. So I felt instead of going for the live classes as per the schedule, whatever it is given in the timetable, I thought like I will utilize my maximum time, and I shall make videos for you, and it will be very topic specific, and you can go through it at your own pace. And as and when you see there is a nice signal internet connectivity, you can download them into your mobile or laptop, and then watch them and make a notes. uh, then later on we will have, so while going through my videos you may have a lot of doubts, and all those things you please try to list out, and I shall arrange some live discussions, so participate in those, and try to clarify doubts from me. And again, in the live discussions, if you have still problems, what you can do, you try to send those doubts to me either by WhatsApp or my email. And again, I may make one more video to clarify your doubts, and or sometimes I can give in written, I can reply back to you in written and about those doubts. So this is how that we are going to proceed till you come back to the university. So as and when you come here to the university, and so absolutely no problem. So we can have frequent interactions as you like it. Please note this assessment part, and I have no idea when I'm going to take this assessment thing, but I would like to follow the actual meaning of the continuous assessment. So I will go for surprise quiz, and also I shall give you time to time some assignments as well as test to check how much you are learning. So unlike the physical appearance, direct presence, here there is nobody to test you that you are really going through your lecture, my recorded lecture in the YouTube. So I shall take some measures, and I will try to surprise you to check whether you are really going through my lecture or not. So you be prepared, and since I am putting a lot of effort, and I will also try to ensure that you are trying to go through my lectures, and then you are getting some subject knowledge for which you have joined in this department for pursuing the MSc. So, well, with this short discussion, I shall start my lecture on introduction. So, we will start with NMR spectroscopy technique, and how NMR spectroscopy can be utilized in structural elucidation of organic molecules. We will discuss first, and once it is done, then we will go for the other topic, mass spectrometry. Uh, so, you try to since in the last semester, Dr. Deepa would have taken already the molecular spectroscopy. So in the molecular spectroscopy, one of the topic is the NMR. So its basics are very much essential to understand in depth the subject in the third semester, and also to apply in the while you are solving the problems of organic molecules. So again, I would suggest all of you. So both these topics, certain topics are already present in the molecular spectroscopy, which you have just finished. So therefore, all those topics you try to just refresh, and then attend and then watch my videos, so that you will get maximum benefit out of it. So whatever the topics that I am going to teach, it can be nicely followed. Well, let us start with nuclear magnetic resonance. Let me remind you one more point before I start another discussion. So the complete syllabus of this particular course is uploaded in the CU Kerala e-platform. So you try to download and you can find the complete details of the books of the entire course is listed there. So you try to get the copies from the internet and then try to read the topics as and when it is covered. Uh, you also note that many of the publishers started offering the soft copies for free of cost because of the corona pandemic. So let us start NMR discussion.